The good news is that peace and joy are possible. It just takes practice. And over the next 10 days, I'm so delighted to share with you some of the most powerful practices that have supported me on my journey. And for us to find even a semblance of peace is not just only going to help our lives become more enjoyable, but if more of us transform ourselves, it can have meaningful effects on our societies as well. So over the next 10 days, join me in temples and forests, big rocks, caves, where we are going to raise our energy by moving our bodies and calm our minds through slowing our breath down. And I'd love for you to join for the whole adventure, so there is a link in the description to the playlist where you can bookmark it and come back to it every day. You can also sign up to an email list where you get reminded every day. And then tell your friends and family, because practice is so much more effective when you do it in community, when you have that accountability and you can share your experiences with your friends and family. And I'd love to hear from you as well. Let me know in the comments each day how the practice has gone for you. And I'd love to see your photos and videos of maybe any differences you might be feeling in your life. So click the link in the description to start the playlist, and I look forward to moving and meditating with you.